Since your SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Go has both USB-C and USB-A connectors, it acts like a bridge between your phone and your PC. Here is the play-by-play to get those files moved. Plug it in. Insert the USB-C end of the drive into your phone's charging port. Note: if nothing happens, go to your phone's settings and search for OTG. Ensure it is toggled on. Locate your files. Open your phone's File Manager app, often called Files, My Files, or Files by Google. Long press the files you want to move. Tap Copy or Move. Navigate back to the main menu of the File Manager. Select the SanDisk USB Drive and tap Paste or Done. Eject safely. Swipe down your notification shade, find the USB drive notification, and tap Unmount or Eject before pulling it out. Transfer from the SanDisk drive to Windows. Flip the swivel on your SanDisk and plug the USB-A, the larger side, into a USB port on your computer. Open File Explorer. Find the drive. Look for USB Drive or SanDisk under this PC in the left-hand sidebar. Right-click and select Copy, then paste in your destination folder.